Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah with MarineMax in Sarasota, Florida, and we're videoing this 260 SLX for the second time because it's literally that special. We want you guys to see it. Really, really cool color combination. This is a black over horizon boat. Guys, horizon is one of those colors from Sea Ray that changes based on what's around it, and it's so cool in this specific example because these boats have this black detail tower, black detail all over the sea deck. This is a specific sea deck pattern that is specific to Sea Ray for this boat with the flowing lines, the spaces. You really have to get on a 260 SLX to appreciate the details. So, at the back, 300 horsepower from Mercury. Guys, we love that motor. It's proven it runs phenomenally. This is a stone gray boat. The rear sun pad on these boats have stereo controls, and they have chargers for your phones. But stepping inside the boat, you start to see a ton of that detail. As the camera's coming down, look at this arch in the backrest. This is truly one of the more comfortable boats you can ever sit on. And SLX gives you these really thick plush cushions because that's what you want when you get into luxury. These boats have two molded buckets. These are fiberglass molded bucket seats. They're so pretty. They slide and they swivel. See this detail on the floor I was talking about? This is exclusive to the SLXs. And that black theme, look at the dash. Acrylic, black gel, and these are touch screens, both the GPS or multifunction displays and the stereos. Guys, the detail even runs through the windshield. That's what these SLXs are about. They're about attention to detail, luxury, and of course, comfort. Your front loungers give you fold-down armrests, more black detail for your cup holders that are actually lit. This boat even has the forward table option. This is an incredible space to spend time with your friends. The forward sunshade option, the lounger, the detail. This is a place to bring your friends and show off what you have. I'm Jeremiah Long, and this is our 260 SLX at MarineMax Sarasota. Come visit us, and we'll walk you through it.